So this is the second video. The second part of our shoulder adjustment is going to be a clavicular adjustment. So what we'll do is we'll have the patient supine. We'll have them look away from where we're going to do. Now if you remember, we started the first video on this left shoulder. So even though I'm on the right side, this is the same shoulder. We'll have the patient look away. We're going to traction the humerus away from the body like so. Now I'm just going to contact on this SC joint and we're going to adjust in this direction. So a traction here, get in and just a little thrust just like that.